up, guys? We are back with another video. Today we have something a little different. We have the 2023 Honda Civic Si, and this is actually a 250 horsepower Civic Si. What's done to it is it has the K&N cold air intake and a Honda carb tune, so it brings it up all the way to 250 horsepower. And let me tell you, since it's a very light car, it is surprisingly quick, and it's super easy to drive. You still get like 40 miles per gallon, which is amazing for a daily driver. And let me tell you, the noises it makes just from a cold air intake and a tune is amazing. This still has a stock exhaust on it, and it sounds amazing. You don't need an exhaust for this car. All you need is an intake and a tune. And let me tell you, you have a recipe for, like, I can't say disaster, but a recipe for like perfection. Let me see if I can let me see if I can give you a little intake noise. Yeah, it sounds amazing. It handles so well. Here, let me see if I can give you a little intake noise. Induction. The induction noise is amazing. This thing is super quick and agile. Super quick. And for a $30,000 car, you can't go wrong with it. It's a perfect daily driver. It handles them well around the corners. It makes all the right noises. And you can't get any better than this, especially for a Honda that isn't like the top trend like Type R. It's amazing. Really a well-built, all-around car. Perfect for daily driving, perfect for like just everyday, commute. It's a sports car, a compact sports car. You don't need all the power in the world, but it's faster than, I would say, 90% of the cars on the road. And honestly, it's all you need. Now, if you want to go like, I don't know, maybe the Type R, something more powerful from the factory, go ahead, sure, yeah. But I mean, this is all you need if you're just looking for like a $28,000 car. Here, let's see if we can get a little induction noise. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this, dude. You can't. The K&N filter just opens things up. Like, it's a must-have for this car. It is a must-have. Let's see. Let me get you guys a little like outdoor shot for this car. Let me show you how amazing it looks. Just stock. Everything is stock on it. There's nothing done to it. Nothing done to it, and it looks amazing from the factory. Look how aggressive the front is. Very stunning car. Very stunning car. Let's see if I can get you induction noise as well. I got the dirt. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with this. I'm telling you, all you need is a cold air intake, a tune, and you're good. And it's like, like I said, it's about 2,900 pounds. It's just it's like a street legal go-kart, I would say. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's get a little run under this tunnel. Get a little oh yeah, the pot. You hear like sudden burbles from the exhaust, especially when rolling. It's so like a perfect sound. Oh yeah. This thing is amazing, let me tell you. Now, so I know you guys like straight line acceleration, like from the dig. This isn't a dig car, you know, it's front wheel drive. So like 0 to 60 will range like 6 seconds. With an intake and a tune that I like this has, probably like 5.5 seconds. It's not like a fast car. It's just like, it's good while rolling, you know? If you want like straight line speed, like from the dig, get an all-wheel drive car, like a, you know, WRX or STI. Maybe if you're looking for something more advanced, like an RS3 or like a, you know, BMW, if you can, why not? But this is, I believe, the perfect car under 29K. It really is. You can't go any wrong with it. You know, it's so practical. It has 4 doors, and look, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds really, really like cool, and that's what's most important to me, honestly. Just the cool intakes noise. Oh yeah, the brakes are phenomenal. The Civic Si has the upgraded brakes from the regular Civic. Oh yeah. Even at low RPMs, you can hear that turbo spool, and it's really, really funny. I just love the way it sounds. I forgot this to open that. Let's see. Alright, we're good from here. Let's go. And you know, honestly, you know, you can give it, you know, you can full throttle it and you won't break the law, because you know, it's not really like a high-powered car. So like, you know, you can have fun with it, you can do all crazy stuff with it, especially on the roads. You know, nowadays, you know, in a like a, I don't know, 300, 400 horsepower car, you full throttle it and you're at 60 like that, and it's just not fun, because you know, you're running the risk of getting pulled over. And I just, honestly, I don't find that really amusing. You know, you need to go to the track to unleash its full potential, which to me, I don't know, I really don't, you know, find that appealing. That's a nice 3 Series. Oh no, it's a 2 Series. Nice. Very cool. Alright, I guess I gotta go. Dude, that does not get old, let me tell you. Even when it's like you're quarter throttling it, the induction noise is just there. It's like a big turbo set kit, but I mean, you know, obviously it's not. But yeah, it's just a joy. It's a real like joy to drive. It's very comfortable. The suspension is not that stiff. It can go over bumps, you know, but it's very, very planted to the ground, which I really love. Like, look at that. It just made that turn so effortlessly. Very, very nice car. Very well balanced, you know. Again, I would highly recommend this car, especially like you're just getting into manual cars, you know. It's the perfect thing, you know. It's like right now I'm just driving, I'm cruising around the neighborhood, and it's very simple to drive. So again, you really can't go wrong with it. All right, now I'll shut up. I'll try to give you, you know, regular car noises. Try if you guys can hear it or not, but let's see. Again, if you guys would like to see more cars on this channel, you can find me on Instagram. Let me know any cars you would like me to review, any of your cars specifically. You can always just hit me up. We'll set something up. So yeah. Again, this channel, I believe it can really grow. I think there's potential in it, and you know, I love cars, and I find it very, like, it's more than a hobby to me, because cars, like, I don't know, to many of people they're a big, like, stress reliever and stuff like that, and that's what I really like about it. It's something, you know, you can really enjoy with people, especially in the car culture. It's very big, and I just love, like, seeing it grow. And that's what we're here for, especially on this channel. No matter what car you have, everyone has a story, you know. That's sick. That's really sick. I love the induction noise. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video, because it's something that I'm really passionate about. If I haven't said this before, but you know. Now this, I forgot to mention, this does have the old generation Type R rev match. Very good brakes. Very good brakes. Very well balanced. It's a perfect like beginner track car too, you know. All right. Alright guys, this has been a really enjoyable car to drive. Again, if you guys have more questions or, you know, stuff, you can leave it in the comments. I'm glad you guys enjoyed the video, and we're just, actually, you know what, I just want you guys to hear the, I don't know if it can pick it up, but yeah, that sounds like, here, it even shakes. Like, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty epic. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll definitely try to upload more consistently. But yeah, the K&N intake definitely makes a big difference, and the tune. But yeah, I really recommend this car, especially as a beginner. So hopefully you enjoy this video, and like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, guys.